Step 3. Titration of Sandioss reagent concentration. In this step you need 1.0 gram Sandioss eco-friendly gold leaching agent, a stirring rod, 250 milliliters beaker, 100 milliliters measuring cylinder with 100 milliliters distilled water. Use chromogenic agent from Step 2. 100 milliliters conical flask. Pipette and pipette tips. 100 milliliters conical flask. Iron support. Barrette with silver nitrate solution. Pour 1 gram of Sandioss sample into the beaker. Add 100 milliliters distilled water into the beaker. Stir to dissolve the reagent. Now adjust the scale of the pipette to 10 milliliters. Suck 10 milliliters liquid with a pipette gun and transfer it to a conical flask. Add 3 to 5 drops of chromogenic agent from Step 2, and the solution will turn yellow. Titrate with silver nitrate standard solution 0.01 moles per liter from Step 1. When the solution changes from yellow to pink, stop titrating. This is the end point of titration.